Air brakes on saw blades. The best time to inspect the brakes is during your scheduled saw blade change. The blade must stop in less than 6 seconds. To test the stopping time of a blade, start a saw blade, then touch the stop button. If it does not stop in the recommended time, then the brake needs to be adjusted or replaced. To inspect the brakes, shut down the saw by touching the shutdown button on the touchscreen main menu, then touch Yes to confirm the shutdown. After it is completely shut down, perform a lockout tagout on the machine at the stationary end disconnect switch. Remove the saw blades. Locate the air valve that controls the saw blade brakes on the stationary end mounted closest to the incoming air supply. With a screwdriver, turn the red screw on the air valve to manually release the brakes. Now you can look to see if there is enough brake pad left on the assembly to adjust the brakes to stop the blade in the recommended time. To replace the air brakes, disconnect the air supply from the saw. With a wrench, hold the shaft on the 2 flats to prevent it from turning. Remove the bolt and spherical washers. Loosen the jam nuts and adjusting the screws. Remove the cotter pin and the pin. Remove the right shoe first. Slide off the spring and remove the left shoe. Install the new left shoe first with the spring, then the right shoe, and replace the pin, cotter pin, bolt, and spherical washers, making sure the washers are snug. Align the brake by turning in the adjusting screws until the pads touch the hub. Then back off the screws a full turn. Verify that the clearance is just enough for the hub to spin freely. If the hub binds on the shoes, back off the adjusting screws until the hub rotates freely. With a screwdriver, turn the red screw on the air valve for the saw blade brakes back to its normal position. Reconnect the air supply to the machine and install the saw blades. If this did not fix the problem, call the MiTek Customer Service Department at 1-800-523-3380.